Step 1 is to sign up for a hosting or OpenClaw plan. To make sure to get the best deal, sign up using our exclusive partner link in the description down below. That will get you an additional 10% off any hosting or plan, and after clicking that link, you'll join me here on the OpenClaw page. Click Get Started to see your plan options. You'll see two plans, Managed OpenClaw and OpenClaw on VPS. For the fastest setup, we're going with Managed OpenClaw. It's ready out of the box with no technical setup, so you can skip straight to using your assistant. OpenClaw on VPS is the more hands-on option if you want full control over the server, but if speed is what you're after, Managed is the fastest way to get going. So go ahead and click Choose Plan under Managed OpenClaw. On the next page, you'll pick your billing period. It defaults to 24 months, and that gives you the biggest savings, so you can keep it there. If you'd rather pay less upfront, the 12-month plan still saves you a good amount. Just below that, you'll see Ready to Use AI. If you have no interest in these credits, don't worry. You don't have to add these. I'll add 20 credits to start, and I'll show you just how fast it is to get going on the configuration screen in a minute. Below that, you'll see options for Instant Web Search and Agentic Mail. I'll add Instant Web Search because there's really no downside to grabbing 1,000 free OxyLab credits, but if you're not interested, you can skip this. Same goes for Agentic Mail. When you're ready, scroll back up, confirm that your discount is applied in the order summary, and click Continue. On the next page, go ahead and register with Hostinger using either Google, GitHub, or your email address. Then click Register. Then enter your billing address, and click Continue. After that, enter your payment information, and click Submit Payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll automatically be shown to the next screen in a few seconds. The next step is to connect OpenClaw to an AI model so it has a brain to think with. Just a heads up before we start, Hostinger is always improving this interface in this process, so yours might look slightly different than mine, but you should still be able to follow along. You'll land on the Choose an AI Provider screen. From here, you've got a few options. If you already have an API key from OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI, or Gemini, go ahead and choose your provider, and then paste your key in here. If you don't have a key yet, or an account with Anthropic for example, you can go to that provider's console, create one, and then come back and paste it here. If you added the Nexos AI credits during checkout like me, click here, and we'll need to enter our Nexos API key here as well. It may already be filled in for you, but if not, don't worry, let me show you how to grab it. Come up to the top and right-click on the Hostinger logo, and then open the link in the new tab. That will open our H panel. From here, click OpenClaw on the left-hand side, and you'll see your credits here at the top. Then, click Key to copy the key. Return to your first tab, paste the key in this field, and then select an AI model. I'll choose Sonnet for the moment. Then, click Next. OpenClaw will take a minute to set up. There's a small mini-game here you can play while you wait. If you have a high score you're proud of, comment down below. And once it's done setting up, you'll be asked to connect OpenClaw to a messaging app. This is how you chat with your assistant from your phone. Here you can connect Telegram or WhatsApp, and I'll go ahead and click Telegram to show you the setup instructions. If you're not ready to set this up just yet, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to do it from the OpenClaw dashboard or from your Hostinger panel in just a minute. Click Change Messaging App, and then Next. And you're all set. Here's your OpenClaw access key. Go ahead and copy that and save it somewhere safe like a password. From here, you can click this button to open OpenClaw in a new tab. But I'd recommend going to the H panel instead by clicking this link or by clicking the Hostinger logo like we've done before. That way, I can show you how we will normally access OpenClaw next time you log into your Hostinger account. I'll click this, and I'll close my extra tab. That link should bring you directly to the OpenClaw dashboard, but again, if you ever log in and land at home, OpenClaw will always be in the left-hand panel. From this screen, just click Manage, and you're back to the same spot. This is where you'll find your OpenClaw instance, along with your integrations on the left. We'll come back to these shortly. For now, go back to Dashboard, and then click to open OpenClaw in a new tab. And it's that quick. No VPS to deploy, no template to install, no gateway token to paste in. This is why the managed plan is the fastest way to get started.